Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you need to block someone on Telegram, whether for privacy or peace of mind, here is how to do it easily. First, open the chat with the person you want to block. Tap on their profile picture at the top to open their profile. In the profile screen, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select block user. Telegram will ask you to confirm, so confirm your choice to complete the block. Once blocked, the person will be able to message you or see your profile update. You can unblock them anytime by revisiting their profile and selecting unblock. And that's it guys, you successfully blocked someone on Telegram. Stay in control of your privacy and enjoy the app on your own terms. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and share with your friends. And I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.